Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in how I achieved this cute braided ponytail protective style, keep on watching. I know it's been a minute, but we gonna get straight into it. So I'll give you guys a little life update while we are doing our hair. So y'all, I have these braids in my head. They are going on 2 weeks old, and I just don't have time to take them out, so we're gonna make a style. Okay, so y'all, I got these braids done at a shoot, and I'm so excited for the content to go live. So I can't wait to share with you what's been going on behind the scenes. But these braids are from said shoot, and I love them. Like, they're 2 weeks old, so yes, they are frizzy, but this look is just so cute. And so my hair is blow dried in this ponytail, and so we're gonna do an extended ponytail with tracks. So I took an old wig, you know, back when we used to make wigs for YouTube. I took an old wig and I just cut the hair off of it because the wig was beaded, y'all. It was real bad. And so I just cut the tracks off of it. So I'm using virgin hair, and this is probably equivalent to like a water wave curl texture. And I have it folded over where it's a double weft. So all that basically means is that I took the whole bundle and folded it so it's like, can y'all see, 2 tracks together. So I'm taking a piece on the end of the tracks where the 2 open ends come together, and I'm using this as like I'm feeding in hair to a braid. So I'm about to braid this, separate my hair into 3 pieces. I know it looks crazy and it may be a little difficult for me to show you, but so I have my hair in 3 pieces because we're about to do a braid. So those are the 3 pieces. And then I'm taking this piece as if it's like feeding hair, and I'm just gonna braid this in. So just have the tracks kind of hang over your head, and then just braid your hair with the track in one piece, feeding in this hair and just braiding it. Hopefully y'all can see that. So once I get to the end of my hair, so this is my hair in the piece we added in, and now the track is pretty much connected with no rubber bands, none of that. I do want to take a rubber band and put it on the end so the braid doesn't unravel. All right, so I'm taking a rubber band just to tie off the end where my hair stops. And you can also add a hair oil of your choice to like the end of your hair to make sure your ends are moisturized up underneath this ponytail. And so where you start braiding in the track measures out the length of the ponytail. So if you wanted this ponytail, right now this ponytail is going to be as long as this piece right here. So it's going to be about right here. But if you want a super long ponytail, then you would start braiding it in towards the end of your hair. Or if you have short hair, I recommend getting like a bundle of cankaline hair, start braiding it into your hair, and then once you get to where you want to start adding the track in, you'll add that in and then use a rubber band to tie it off like this, like so, like that, in my Tabitha Brown voice. And so from here, as you can see, that lock, this track ain't falling out nowhere. So now I'm gonna take the track and just wrap it around my hair. All in all, I like to keep the track super close together, so make sure that it's stacked and make sure you're wrapping it nice and tight. If you wrap it loosely, your ponytail can slide down because we're using minimal bobby pins and stuff. So just keep wrapping it as tight as you can. And sometimes it's easier for me to just turn my head over like this and wrap like this and feel my way up the wefts, and make sure you're kind of keeping the hair detangled as you're wrapping. So it's very important to leave the bent weft that has like the loop at the end available for like your end mark, so you can put your bobby pin on it. So you want to put a bobby pin hooking into the end of your weft, and that's what you're going to use to secure this. And so when I put the bobby pin, instead of just like sticking it into your scalp, I stick it upwards, like down the braid. So I am sticking it like in this direction down the shaft of the braid. So that is our first bundle. And as you can see, it's all about the same length. So I personally liked a really full ponytail for this look, so I used a total of 3 bundles. You don't have to use virgin hair, but the pro in using like virgin or human hair is that it's gonna last longer. You could put water on it and stuff and touch it up without like taking the hair out, and it won't tangle as much. But if you're just looking for this style for a short period of time, you can buy like one of those bundle packs at the hair store, and it's like human hair blend or something like that, and it gives you like 3 or 4 bundles. Like, you can use that as well. For the next bundle, we are going to start with the looped end of the wefts with a bobby pin on it. And because I'm doing the length that I'm doing, again, I'm going to place that bobby pin in the upward direction up the braid, so it's not going into my skull and my head not hurting. And then I'm again gonna flip my head over and start wrapping. At this point, I am at the base of my ponytail already. So I am just gonna keep wrapping around the base, being careful not to wrap it too tight so you don't have a headache at the end. So as I'm getting towards the end, I just take, a portion of the hair, and this is the open end, and I wrap this around the base. If you're doing a longer ponytail and you're not at the base of your hair yet, then you will need to bobby pin it. Or you can wrap it around and bobby pin it at whatever point in the ponytail you're at. You can put a bobby pin in there to hold it. I am not going to, just because I know I'm only wearing this for 2 more days. As you can see, this is what 2 bundles looks like. Nice and full, but I'm an ultra full girly, so I'm gonna take that that third and final bundle, the side that has the loop weft, and my bobby pin, and again I'm gonna put it upwards so it's not, going in my head, and then I'm going to start wrapping. You want to make sure you're detangling the hair as you go, and then once you get to the end, again, we're going to take that last piece and we're going to wrap it around the base. And then we're going to take a bobby pin to secure that. So this is what my hair looks like. And as you can see, it is ultra full, an ultra full ponytail. And it is that length that I wanted. But for me, I didn't want to keep taking more hair, trying to make a thick band at the top. And so since I have the braids going right here, I thought it'd be a nice touch to do a braid to wrap around the base of my hair. So this is what I came up with, and 20 out of 10. So this is basically just a small yaki bundle with the rubber band still on it, and I just braided each side down and put a rubber band on the end. So I'm taking the rubber band part and I'm gonna put it over my entire ponytail. And be gentle so you don't pop that rubber band. But I just put it around my hair. And then I pull it down like this. So we got 2 braids. And so then I'm gonna take the first one, wrap around the base like so, like that. And I'm gonna go up under. Again, making sure you're not doing it too tight so you don't get a headache. And then I'm gonna pin the end. I'm gonna use a bobby pin to pin that. And when I bobby pin this, I bobby pin it into the braid instead of like into my head so it doesn't hurt. So then I'm taking this other piece and we're gonna go the opposite way, and I'm kind of stacking this braid so it can be taller and more visible. So I stack it up top and then I bring the second part around the bottom, and again we're gonna bobby pin that end into the braid so we can have it nice and secure. And if you want to, you can even bobby pin like the 2 braids together. And then from there, all you have to do is refresh your bundles, baby, and you are good to go. So you could take like a foam mousse to revitalize these curls. Then you can pick out your ponytail as desired. So boom, there you have it. A cute braided pony. Quick, fast, and easy. This is a quick hair tutorial that you can do. I've been wearing this for 2 weeks. So if you have like some braids or something in this style and you want to do this, or you could slick it down, honey. You can slick it down, honey, and do the same thing. So I hope y'all enjoyed this hair tutorial. Let me show y'all the back. So that is the back, and this is the final look. When I went to our regional conference for my sorority, I spiced up this hairstyle by adding some pearl bobby pins to the braided portion of this look. And like if you wanna spice it up, you could add these, and I will put the link to these little pearls in the description box. They are on my Amazon shop, but you can literally spice up this look. And if you're nervous about putting all of these bobby pins in, like I said, go parallel with the braid so you're not jamming it like into your head. You see how cute that is? Just by adding that, you can add gold string, clamps to the braid, like whatever you want to do. And I think this is a great way to, 1, use some old bundles or some cheap bundles, and 2, you know, revamp those old braids you got in your head. Okay, so I really love this look. I hope y'all do too. If you are still watching this video, that means you're enjoying it. So go ahead and subscribe down below and like this video, and make sure you guys comment what videos you guys want to see next. I love y'all so much, and until next time, bye.
All about natural beauty, yeah, Slim Reshae.